and we are stalking the horses and the pig. This is the nature walk of the day. Shit. It looks like shit. It smells like shit. I'd rather not taste it, but it's definitely... I'm very glad I didn't walk in that. Oh, we just did it. And we're still stalking. Oh, the Queen Midas has spotted us. And the pig's looking at us, deciding if it should attack or not. Oh, it looked away. It's still looking at us now. Just walk around it slowly. And the horse is saying, back away slowly, otherwise I might just attack you. Yes, this is the nature walk of the day. Shit, there's another piece of shit. Oh, the horse has spotted us again. And now the pony. The pony has spotted us as well. It's a beautiful pony. Look at the pony. It's a miniature horse. Look, it's a miniature horse. It's not a pony, it's a miniature horse. It's a white miniature horse. Once again, it's still the walk and the nature walk of the day. Now let's leave the horses and go somewhere where we don't want to. There to the farthest mountain and beyond.
Why do you sound Australian?
Bitch, I don't know. So, we'll see you about closer than that.
I can speak like an American.
To keep us busy, we have spotted 2 teenagers walking about, not figuring out where they want to go. And the one, she's probably taking a photo. You see, teenagers, you know. Teenagers always walking about. Oh, there's 2 teenagers as well. One's going to fall into the dam of the broken ledge. I hope she doesn't die. And the one, he's swinging around his stick. Oh, he smacked his stick against another stick. Watch out. That might just hurt. And yet again, we're still walking. We're so far. We're so close, but yet so far. Oh no. Look, he's trying to twerk. It's not working. But that's okay. As long as you all enjoy the nature walk of the day. Look, the grass. How it's blowing in the wind. No, it's my turn.
Look how Jean twerks.
I can't twerk. Oh, there's a rabbit. Look at the rabbit in its natural habitat. I hope you find it. You found it. Okay, bye rabbit. Once again, this is the nature walk of the day. Look at the grass and the mountains. And us. Hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
It's a... Huh? Continue. Hi guys, and welcome back to Juanki 101. Hope you guys have a pleasant day, because what's up next? Wow! I got you! We've got the 4 teenagers walking there. Guys, I hope you enjoy the nature walk of the day. Guys, look at his stick. It's a very big stick there. It's almost like his dick. His dick. Look at his dick.
Bitch.
He's swearing. Why is he swearing? Okay, look, we're even closer now. I'm walking in the grass with very, very short shorts on. Yes, I hope you saw that. Sorry about the nudity, but that's okay. Okay guys, I just want to say we are right there in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so the nature reserve guide is right here. Thank you.
He's moved by it, John.
Hey, this is the English channel. Come on, bro. This is the English channel. Just watch out. There's a thing right there. It might just eat your leg off. Just don't touch it. Okay. So guys, this is the nature reserve of the day, still going on. I hope you guys enjoy this, because well, this is slightly just oh, yo, look at that one. That one is huge. And there's one right there. Sorry, I've been bitten by a piece of grass. A piece of grass decided to bite me. There's a lot of these things over here. Just don't step in them. Oh, look at this one. It's got a sunflower. Look at the flower. Ah! Okay, guys. Now that we've found our way through this grass, there's even more grass. We're walking straight to the rocks. You know, you must see how deep those rocks go. It goes so deep, it's like if you fall, you're going to die. Like, ow! Sorry, I just had a moment. The grass bit me again. Charlie bit my finger. No, I'm joking. The grass bit my leg. The grass bit my leg. Ow, grass. Ow, grass, you bit my leg. Ow. Owie. You bit my leg. Grass, no, don't bite my leg. Why are we walking so high? Look at those rocks. Don't they just look beautiful? If you can see them. Look, guys, look. It's the 3 teenagers walking about. Oh, and the guide. The guide with his stick. With him. And look, there's a piece of shit right there. And there's a piece of shit right there. Oh no, that's the guide. Which is also my best friend. Just saying. There's another piece of shit. Hey, guide. Are you a piece of shit?
You piece of shit.
No. Ow! Yeah, maar brain. I just stepped in shit. Man, that sucks. At least it's hard. Look at the rocks. Look at those rocks. We've got so far to go still. Huh? Yes, and grass. But we can't see them. We've probably walked around and next to a few snakes. Guys, look at that tree. So beautiful. We did, didn't we? Oh no, we're here at the bushes again. Okay, I see you there. Back to the nature reserve. We are right here at Mount Stone-a-Lot, and well, there are a lot of stones. Oh, look at the sun. It's getting late. Guess what, guys? We're gonna do a flip in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Bitch. What? You fell on your head.
This place was haunted by a man named Skull Rocky.
Skull? Oh no. Guys, we better watch out.
Yeah. So find a skull, the name is Rocky.
Did you hear those cows?
Robert Skull.
Robert Skull. That's the oak's name. The oak's name is Robert Skull. Do yourself not a favour. Don't do yourself a favour and go search his name. Otherwise, you're more than welcome. Yes, that's so true. That's so true. You guys better watch out. There's a cave in here. Do you see the cave? We're looking right at it. Someone's looking at me. Ah! He's tormenting my soul. Oh, there's nothing in my shoe. It felt like it. And the guide, he's walking freely about, just being himself, you know. Look, there's a cave right there. I was going to go into the cave, but it's quite scary. So I'm going to this side now. Okay, that sounds good. Just follow the guide. The guide knows exactly what he wants to do. Okay, guys, let's do some flips and tricks onto the stones. and then just don't fall. I guess that works. Look at the stones. This is not the Stone Age. The Stone Age is that side. We need to go freely to that side, man. Guys, this is a steep hill down. Please walk nicely. Guys, this is clickbait. Just don't die. Don't die. This is clickbait. If you die, you better come back. Holy. Look at the butterfly. The butterfly. And stones flying. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You can make sparks with these stones. Are you rude? Are you rude? Man, let's go. Let's go. Down the deep, steep hill and go forth to Narnia. For Narnia! Doof, 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 doof. Guys, look, this is the beginning of the Stone Age. This is the beginning of the Stone Age. This is for freedom! Yay! Applause, applause. Can you guys maybe come? You can walk freely down here as well. Here's a much better place to walk down. That's what I think. There's more ground. More ground to cover. Guys, look at the Stone Age. Last time we were here, I was tiny and it felt so much higher. Do me yourself a favour. Hold this. Hello. There's something in my shoe. Let's hope it's not a chandelier. No, don't be rude. Let me step on your foot. Thank you. Thank you very much. See, there was something in my shoe. A piece of grass. Ah! And it was poking me. But that's not all. Okay. Alright then. I guess that's fascinating. And twerk, 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 and twerk. Let me put on my shoe now. I'm finished with twerking. Thank you very much. Okay. Let me put on my shoe. Don't you want to put on your shoe? Thank you very much. Okay guys, we have reached to a point that I can finally tie my shoes. We got a message. We were in range of a cell phone tower. That's great. That's great news. Where are we going? We're going that side, or that side. Alright, bye to you guys. Cheerio. We see you, Governor. Bye then. We're going, yes. Toch, daar's iets in my skoen. Guys, look at that, look at that. We're walking, and we're walking, and we're walking. Once again, guys, I just want to say that we are your guide for today. And welcome to Zwaantjie 101, the YouTube channel. And I hope you guys enjoy this guide tour trip thing, because, well, we want to make 1 million views on our video someday and get rich and famous, and that's how we roll. Waar was ons laaste staan? No way. Where? Wait, nou sien ek waar die gat vandaan kom. Now I see. Kom ons gaan nou heel bo dan. Hi guys, and well, I guess I was just tiny and afraid of heights. Because now I'll even jump into this thing. No, rather not. There's probably something in here. Something weird. Let's see. And a crocodile jumps out. Run! Run! Oh, Echo! Echo! Hi guys! How are you doing today? Oh. Hi! How are you? Are you there? Hey, you! I'm talking to you! Oh, look. There's something in the water. It's a rock. Look at this one fly. Look at this one fly. Good double. I guess that happened. Let's see what this one does. Off a higher stone. Oh, there's something in the water. Oh, it's a stone. Oh no. That's so ugh. Ugh, bro. Ugh. Le donk. Ah! Oh, I've got a better idea. Let's see what this one does. This one's not going to make a splash at all. Okay. Yes, I told you. Well, let's see what this one does. It goes ping. That was a good sound. There's something in the water there. Look at this one skip. I'll show up this. Oh, that sucks. Oh, he made a skip. Skip a bit. Okay, now for all the rocks. And another one. And another one. Probeer hom reg in die hoek en gooi. Oh yes, bitch. Found it. I figured it out. Oh!
Hy het dit anders daar geraak getref, hoor.
Ja, 'n klip. Hoorie, jy eina op jou vinger. Jou duime. Jy gepoep.
Ja.
Ugh. Okay, let's go up. Let's go to higher. Let's reach higher levels. Where? But there's nothing. There's nothing there. There's nothing there! Bloody hell. I told you there's nothing there. Let's take a rock for instead. Just for in case. I don't know how this is going to save my life, but it might just save our lives. Where are you going? Oh, it's a piece of wood. There's nothing there.
Daai kon onmoontlik so gepleis wees. Dink jy nie?
You weet nie, ja. There's weird shit going on here. Maybe it was witchcraft. Aliens. Maybe we're living here on an alien deck. Well, it might just be. Oh nee, hier is waar die rotse ingekom het. Onthou.
In my maag.
Hierdie mag dalk die rots wees wat hier so. This might just be the meteor.
Deel van dit.
That'd be quite cool. That'd be bloody sick.
Ons plaas is die middelpunt.
No, this can't be the middle. The meteor is huge. And they said it's the biggest meteor in history of mankind.
Nee, ek sê ons plaas is hierdie hele plaas hierso. Hierdie duisende niets hierso. Dis die middelpunt waar ek land het sien.
That's quite cool. Let's try and reach higher levels of gravity. There's still. Oh, that's what's in my shoe. A piece of weed grass. It looks like a fish.
Okay. Reaching higher levels of destinations. Okay guys, so we have reached new levels of height. And I'm quite tired now. But it's okay. Do you see how high this is? But yet again, we're standing on the ledge. So that means we are the dumb ones, but that's okay. You see, let's see if I can do the splits over the ding dong. Guys, what is this? Comment and tell me, what do you think this is? It's like a steel bolt straight into a rock, and you can see it's like everywhere through this. It's like a rock. It's stone, solid stone. You can't break it and you can't remove it either. Like, we've tried. Look how deep it goes. Oh no, it's wet. It goes about all here. It's not that deep, but that's okay. Slightly deep. Ready, nou moet jy hom skoon maak. Oh! Look how deep that one goes. Hoe gaan hy so? Kyk, is skoon water.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yes, that's doing it. That's working for me. Do you want some wood? Would you like some wood? In your hole? Yeah, that one goes even deeper. Nou wat gaan jou ma en pa sê van hierdie kierie? Dis skoon water.
Maar hoor die klank wat het maak as dit uitloop.
Ek kan nie glo dit is so skoon nie. Kom ons probeer dit. Doe my dieper drukkie. Dalk sit hy vas. Hoorie, jy het 'n gat gemis.
Weet jy, dit klink soos 'n fluitjie. Wat hierin? Hier klink soos die poepel. Wat hierin? Ons nou fluitjies.
Okay guys, so well, now that we've moved on, what do you guys think this is? It's like an abominable sword. It's like the Arthur sword. But is this the Arthur sword now? The Camelot sword.
Excalibur.
The sword from Camelot. And you must try and remove it yourself. It's not working. Look guys, there's a cut in the rock. You can lose your GoPro down there. You can most definitely lose your GoPro down there. But you know what's fascinating is that the rock's been cut by water and you can see it. It's been cut by water.
What is it?
Okay guys, so now that there's water down there, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So well guys, this is Jwanky 101. Hope you guys enjoyed, and well, hope to see you soon. Peace out. Oh guys, look at the sunset, it's so beautiful. We're back to the nature reserve guide thingy majiggy. And here we go. We are entering the cow arena, territory, whatever you want to call it. Oh, look at the sun once again. Maybe 5 minutes. Hey, hello Kui.